Want to make sure nobody messes with your phone's hidden settings and accidentally turns it into a glitchy mess. Let's dive right into disabling developer options on your Samsung phone to boost your security and avoid any unintentional system tweaks. First, swipe up from the bottom of your home screen to access your app drawer. Now, locate the Settings app. It usually looks like a gear or cogwheel icon. Tap on it to open your phone's settings menu. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the settings menu. You're looking for an option called About Phone. Tap on About Phone. In the About Phone menu, find and tap on Software Information. If you see that the developer options is turned on, go back to the main settings menu. You should now see developer options near the bottom of the main settings menu, just above About Phone. Tap on Developer Options. At the very top of the developer options screen, you'll see a toggle switch, likely set to on. Tap this switch to turn it off. The switch should turn gray, indicating that it's disabled. Now, return to the main settings menu. You'll notice that the developer options entry has disappeared. Congratulations! You've successfully disabled developer options on your Samsung phone, enhancing its security and preventing accidental changes.